Hello friends, as we have discussed about our network topology architecture, like 2-tier architecture, 3-tier architecture, spine leaf. So we have one main network topology architecture which name is WAN. Which name is WAN, Wide Area Network. So we know about WAN. WAN is wide area network which is used to connect to different networks with each other, like with the different location we can connect with the WAN architecture. So we have so many WAN design we need to know about. First of all, what are the network topology designs in WAN? So first of all, the first design in WAN is multi-access WAN. Like this is the WAN. In this you can see there is a cloud, like we can take it as a cloud, like not a cloud, it is like an internet service provider. So with the help of this service provider, we can see this is our router on different location, this is our router, and this is our router. Okay, now this service provider has multi-access link with all the three networks, and after that these router will provide the information to switch and another access layer device, switch and another access layer device. It is known as multi-access design. But for example, you don't want to use multi-access, then in second design you can also use point-to-point architecture. What we have to do in point-to-point architecture? In point-to-point architecture, the design should be this. Like I will show you with the design. In point to point, we are not using any multi-access network. We will directly connect with this R7 to R9 and R2 like this. This is your point to point network, because in this network R7 is directly connected with R8, R8 is directly connected with R9, and R9 is also directly connected with R7. So we can use multi-access network as well as we can use point-to-point network. Now, multi-access network, we have some types, like we have layer 3 MPLS service. We will discuss about it, multi-protocol label switching. And after that, you can use it as a layer 3, like multi-protocol label switching. One node directly connected to another node with the help of multi-access. Okay, so this is the example of MPLS. If we considered it as a layer 2, like VPLS we can use, or Metro Ethernet you can use this layer 2, or we can use it like a frame relay or ATM technology. So what we have to do in layer 2 WAN, this type of design, this will use same network ID, like it will work on same network ID architecture. But in layer 3 MPLS, it will work like a different network ID architecture, and after they will provide their internet, their WAN to another information. Okay, like in frame relay, we all know about it. Frame relay, what we have to do in frame relay, like it is different. Frame relay architecture is like a packet switched technology. Packet switched technology means it is not connected with 1 to 2. It is connected with DLCI information, data link connection identifier. But in frame relay, there is one simple there is a small problem in which you are not able to get the direct bandwidth from your service provider. In frame relay, your connection will always establish with the help of DLCI. Okay, your like you can say switched virtual network and permanent virtual networks are connected with each other, but you are not able to get direct bandwidth like MPLS or their WAN design, another WAN design. So frame relay is your cheaper design. So these are all the network topology architecture. So I will rewrite it. Like first of all, MPLS design you can use. After that, multi-access we have discussed. You can get point-to-point WAN also, and after that you can get frame relay WAN design. Thank you so much.